Hi everyone, welcome to episode 12. Today we're going to do corn tortillas. A very simple process to make. It's fun and they taste way better than store-bought. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with 2 cups of masa. Place that in the bowl. 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Mix that up. And then it calls for 1.5 to 2 cups of hot water. So we'll start with 1.5. Just want to make sure that the masa is not sticky or runny. It actually needs to be kind of like a Play-Doh type of texture. So we can add a little bit more water. So really on making your own corn tortillas, it's just 3 ingredients. How easy is that? We're almost to that Play-Doh kind of look. I can kind of mold it. Okay, so that is good. So it's about 1.5 cups. Okay, so now that we've mixed the dough, we're going to knead it for a few minutes. And you want this to have like a smooth consistency. And like I said before, kind of like a Play-Doh. You can kind of mold it. Okay, and now we're going to let that set for about 10 minutes. Okay, so now that our dough is set, we're going to go ahead and portion it. So let's take that. I'm going to put a little bit of the cornmeal on a cutting board here. Move this to the cutting board. And what I'm going to do is I have this number 2 scoop. So it's about 2 tablespoons. It's kind of like a golf ball size of the dough. So I'm going to take that in here, roll that up, set that aside, roll it into a ball. Okay, now that that's ready, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our press. You can either do this by hand, you can pat them down, or use a press. I use a press. I know a lot of it, some of them say to just use the wax paper and you put it down here, but what I do is I actually just wrap it with saran wrap. And what I'll do is I will put each one after I'm done pressing them onto a piece of saran wrap, and then until they're ready for me to use to heat, then I'll take them out of the plastic. So you just take your ball, set it in the center, take your press, push down, and we have 1 tortilla, or actually corn tortilla. Then we have our stack of corn tortillas. And then I'm just gonna do a little bit more wrap there. Cover these up. And then keep those wrapped until I'm ready to use them. And that is how simple it is to do your own homemade corn tortillas. See you in the next episode. Bye.